In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable late fees in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever spent time chasing overdue invoices, turning on late fees can encourage faster payments and help you recoup the time and cost of collecting. I'll walk you through exactly where this setting lives, what each option means, and how to save your changes with confidence. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and looking to the top right corner of your screen. Click the gear icon, which opens your main product settings. From that menu, choose Account and Settings. This is where you control company-wide preferences that affect how your sales, invoices, and customer communications behave. Inside Account and Settings, go to the Sales tab. This tab holds the tools that shape how your invoices look and function. Look for the Late Fees section and select it to open the editing options. You'll see a switch to enable late fees. Turn that on to activate the feature. Now it's time to set how late fees will be calculated. You can typically choose between a flat fee, a percentage of the unpaid balance, or a combination of both. A flat fee is straightforward and predictable, while a percentage scales with the size of the invoice, which can feel more proportional. If available, you can also pick how often the fee applies, such as once after the due date or on a daily or monthly schedule, so it aligns with your collection policy. Next, set a grace period. The grace period adds a buffer of days after the due date before late fees kick in. This small window can reduce friction with customers who might pay a day or two late due to processing delays. You may also see options to set minimum or maximum fees or to include a friendly explanation that appears on customer statements. Choose the settings that match your policy and local regulations, and keep your language clear so customers understand what to expect. When you're happy with your choices, click Save to apply the settings, then select Done to exit. From this point forward, QuickBooks will use your rules on overdue invoices based on the criteria you set. If you ever need to adjust the policy, you can come back to the same spot and update it at any time. That's all it takes to enable late fees in QuickBooks Online. Take a moment to review your invoice terms so everything is consistent, and consider informing your customers about the change to keep things transparent. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you streamline collections and get paid on time.